we have evaluated the electric field on the axis of a charge ring at a distance x from its origin, its center, is given by this expression, where q is the charge over the ring, r is the radius of the ring, x is the distance of the desired point from the center of the ring. So this is the expression for field at this point, and as discussed in previous video, the direction will be away from the center if the ring is positively charged, and if the ring is negatively charged, the direction will be towards center. Now moving to some special cases. Say if we come to center of the ring, so special case 1, at the center of the ring, definitely if you move to center of the ring, so you are no more here, you are now at O. So if you move at O, the value of x will be 0. So at the center of the ring, x is given by 0. Put this value of x in this expression, what we get? We get 0 intensity. So no matter ring is positively charged or negatively charged, the intensity on its center is 0. Moving to second special case number 2. If we are very close to center, but not at the center, we are very close to center. If we are very close to center, x is definitely much less than r, and if x is much less than r, obviously x can be neglected in this expression. Okay, so neglecting x in this expression, what we get? E is equal to qx by 4 pi epsilon naught into r cube. The third condition is special case number 3. If we move far away from the ring, if we move far away from the ring, if we move far away from the ring, definitely x is going to be very large in comparison to radius of the ring. So now we will neglect x. Yes, we are going to neglect r. So neglecting r, what we get? E is equal to qx 4 pi epsilon naught into x cube. So cancelling 1x from numerator and denominator, we will get q by 4 pi epsilon naught into x square. We could get same expression if instead of ring we just place a single point charge q at a distance x. We will get same expression for intensity, which is q by 4 pi epsilon naught into x square. So using ring, what we have got is the result is same as obtained by replacing ring with a point charge. So we can conclude that when we are far away from the ring behaves as a point charge or test point charge or test charge. So these are the 3 special cases regarding the expression for ring.